It's a beautiful day. So yes, laundry day again. Batch 2 because we cannot do it. We cannot do it in one time laundry. So I'm going to do again another laundry. But for that, I'm going to put this outside. Drink coffee first. Finish the coffee. So now let's start the laundry. Yes, let's start now. I will do this. Later is the bedding for my for baby Morena. But for now, I will just do this. It's so good to have machine at home. You don't really need dryer because see. This is my clothes. I'm gonna wash it separately. I will wash it by hand. So now on. Okay. Okay. So yep. There's more. Yes, yeah. Start na.